Imagine walking into a snack shop and finding a fluffy cashier with paws. This cat didn't just beg for treats, it started selling them. In a tiny town, a clever kitty took over its owner's snack shop when they stepped out. Instead of napping, this ambitious feline greeted customers, batted at the cash register, and even packaged snacks by playfully swiping them off the shelf. Locals loved it. Some swear he gave exact change with his paws. Soon, the shop became the hottest spot in town, all thanks to one business-savvy cat. Who says pets can't hustle? Would you shop at a cat-run store? Drop a meow in the comments.